In this video, I will show you the Lightbox preview feature in Google Drive. You can preview many types of documents in your Google Drive. So I have created these two folders. This is a PDF folder. Just click on that. It contains 3 PDF files, and if I open any of these files, so this is the Lightbox preview of this document. Here I can take few actions on this document. On the right hand side, if you see, there is a plus sign. If I click on this plus sign, I can add a comment to this document. So let's say I click on this, and now it says highlight an area to comment on. So if, for example, I want to comment on this area, I will highlight this area by clicking and dragging. And then on the right hand side, I will see this box where I can comment, and I can click comment. Now this comment will be here. Now any of the team member has the ability to resolve the comment. Resolve means that the conversation will disappear from this document area, but it will still be saved in Google Docs. Or the person can edit the comment or delete the comment or link to this comment. So these are few other actions the person can take on this comment. Now you can print this document straight away from this icon. You can download this document, and in these 3 dots there are certain other options available to take some actions. For example, you can further share this document. You can move this document to any specific folder on your Google Drive. You can add this to your starred files. You can rename the document. You can find something within the document. You can also manage the way you get the notification. So if I click on that, this dialog box will open, and here I can manage the notifications. So there are 3 ways of notifications I can have. Whenever somebody make any comment, I can get a notification, or when I am mentioned in any of the comments, or somebody replied to one of my comments, I can get a notification for that if I select this one, or I can totally block the notifications by clicking on this. If I click on this and I press OK, I will never get any notifications about the comments. So let's cancel this. So these options are available in these 3 dots area. At the bottom I can see the page numbers, and also I have the ability to zoom the document, zoom in plus sign and zoom out minus sign, or I can just fit this to my screen. So these are 3 options available in this area. In the center of the screen, I have the option to open this document in Google Docs, because currently it is only in the preview mode, but I can open this. If I click on this little triangle, I can open this document in any of the other applications if I have installed any of these applications. So these options are available in the center. At the left side, you have this arrow, and if you click on this arrow, the preview will close and you will get back to your Google Drive. So let's go back to Google Drive, and now I click on Drive again to go to my root folder. Now I want to show you another feature of this Lightbox preview, and if I click on my photos folder and I click on my first photo, the photo will appear in preview area, and on the right hand side I have this arrow, and on the left hand side currently I don't have arrow because this is my first photo. And I can now browse in my photos folder by just clicking on this arrow. So once I go to my second photo, I can see the arrow on the left hand side as well. So this is how you can browse your photos, and this is a fantastic feature if you want to have a look at your photos and organizing them in specific folders or anything like that. So this is another useful feature available. Now we can go back. And this was a brief tour of Lightbox preview feature in Google Drive.